അച്ഛൻ ഇറങ്ങുവാണേ.
To believe in fearless minds and tireless feet, to brave the raging seas every day and walk side by side with hearts that beat in time with the waves. To revel in the innocence of forests and the wisdom of ancient ways. To find answers in the mystery of mountains and strength in free, soaring lives. To go with the flow along slow-moving canals, to find deep journeys in little country boats.
Nice to meet you. I'm from France.
To catch the drift of conversations under quaint log bridges and discover close-knit lives on distant islands. To find magic in the everyday and eternity in the ordinary. To meet gods who walk the earth and men who trek the heavens. To speak with no words, to listen from the heart, to be one with the trees, the skies, the earth, and celebrate every living thing. To walk the ancient streets that run across cultures, beliefs, and ideas. To open wide the mind and watch the different colors seep into each other. And let the courtyard of the world make us human all over again.